Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. We are going to be working on the D103 post-filing, specifically, what does DDS do? What does DDS do anyways, right? DDS is Disability Determination Services. Again, DDS is Disability Determination Services. Now, there's adjudicators, the people who actually decide if somebody is medically disabled. And remember how we talked about initial filing, reconsideration, ALJ hearing level, appeals counsel, and then even up from there? DDS is right here. They're the ones who live at the initial filing level and the reconsideration level. They do not live down here, they only live right here. And the easiest way to think about them, they're a much less educated, they follow template forms, they don't know the law, they're a much less educated version of an administrative law judge. But you have to go through 2 denials with DDS to get to an administrative law judge. So just to kind of give you an understanding as to how this stuff works, initial filing, you file with the field office sends forms up to DDS, DDS makes an adjudication ruling, sends it back to the field office, then we get a letter as to their decision. We appeal it. If they got a denial, it goes to reconsideration. So then the field office says, okay, we accept the appeal. Reconsideration time, they send it up to DDS again. A new DDS person in a different room looks at the whole file to make a decision. And then at that point, they'll make a decision and go ahead and send it back to the field office and send out letters. So DDS is at the first 2 stages. Now, there's something you need to understand as well that goes along with this. DDS, when it's at this level, we can't see into the SSA website system at this point to see what they have versus what they do not have. We should be able to as a public policy thing, but they just haven't set it up yet. Okay. When they get to the administrative law judge level, then we can see into their system using what's called the E folder, which is part of a bigger system called the ERE, okay, Electronic Record Express. Now, the E folder is what we see, or how we see their work history, what medical documents they have, what they've considered, what they've been working on, which is good. We need all that stuff for an actual hearing. But at these 2 levels right here, initial filing and reconsideration, we don't have access to that. And the bottom line is that DDS reps live here and they adjudicate here. And basically, the bottom line is sometimes you'll get really smart, capable DDS reps, but the grand majority of them don't have a huge background knowledge when it comes to the law. There are a few really, really bad ones out there that are just looking to deny claims. Those ones that are aggressively denying claims without really giving consideration to some of the more remarkable claims that are surely disabled, we do tend to go back at them and make sure that their conduct is corrected for future adjudication. So that's something to understand about DDS. That is the D103 post-filing. What does DDS do? And it's very simple. They adjudicate the claim. They collect forms, the 3373, the 3369, the supplemental forms, the 3380. They also send the record off to a physician if they feel that it's near approval or needs further assistance. They also set up the cabs for these clients to go ahead and go to their CEs, and they also set up the physician offices that the claimant is going to go to get an SSA physician to go ahead and report on that particular individual. They're kind of like the hub adjudicators at the initial filing and reconsideration levels, where you can do a lot more talk and chat with them. You get to the ALJ level, you will talk to the judge in the hearing room, but outside of the hearing room, you will not talk to the judge. It is a much more formal version of what you have with DDS. So just keep that in mind. That's the difference. Now, however, remember, DDS, 33% at the initial filing level, 9% at the next level. However, the ALJ level, you're looking at 46 to 47% because you're dealing with somebody who knows all the law when it comes to listings, gradings, CALs, vocational allowances. So just something to consider with how that all works. We're going to go ahead and look at the next video at this point. We just did D103 post-filing. What does DDS do? All right, you have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.